Welcome back, everyone! Today we are making a beautiful poppy seed roll. It's moist, delicious, and easy to make. We will need 1 cup of finely grinded poppy seeds. Now, place seeds in a bowl and add 1/4 cup of boiling water. Stir well and set aside. In the meantime, we're going to make the dough. First, we add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. To that, we add 1 tablespoon of dry active yeast. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and mix for a few seconds. Now, once everything is thoroughly incorporated, stop the mixer and add 2 tablespoons of oil, some salt to taste, and 1 egg. Finally, add 2/3 a cup of warm milk. While mixing, add about 3/4 cups of flour a little at a time until it forms a ball. Now remember, the dough should be sticky, so don't add too much flour. Now place your dough onto the counter and knead for about 3 to 4 minutes, or 70 to 80 turns. Sprinkle flour if needed. Now, place dough into a well-greased bowl. Cover and let it rise in a warm area for about 90 minutes. While the dough is rising, we will continue on to our poppy seed mixture. Add 1/4 cup ground almond flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix well and set aside. Once the dough is ready, it's time to roll it out. We want to roll out our dough to a rectangle approximately 9 by 13 inches in size. Carefully spread the poppy seed mixture and now roll the dough. Pinch the seam closed and pinch the ends and tuck it under the loaf. Cover and let rise for another 90 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Once the loaf has doubled, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Now place in your oven and bake for about 35 minutes. Once the loaf is out, let it cool and then add the glaze or melted butter. We decided to make our glaze. For the glaze, you'll mix 1 cup of icing sugar with approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Now, drizzle over the loaf. This poppy seed roll smells so good. We really hope you give it a try. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share with friends. Stay tuned for a new episode every Tuesday and Wednesday. Thanks for watching. See you on the next recipe video, and thanks for joining us on another episode of Plate on a Budget.